Hello everyone, I Shivam Agarwal, Assistant Professor of BCom Department. I welcome you all in the lecture series of Information System Management. We are on the unit third part of our subject. That is, in this part, we will discuss about the system. So, how can we making a system? What are the process of making a system? So that should be determined. And in the previous lecture, we have discussed about introduction of a system. What is the purpose of making a system? What are the advantages of making a system? Now we are going to the with the types of systems. So what are the various types of system? And that is the lecture fifth of our unit. So types of system. The system can be divided in the following types. The first one is the physical or abstract system. Physical system are tangible entities. We can touch and feel them. Physical system may be static or dynamic in nature. For example, desks and chairs are the physical parts of a computer center, which are static, and a programmed computer is a dynamic system in which programs, data, and application can change according to the user's need. So the abstract system are non-physical entities or conceptual that may be formulas, representation of model, or a real system. So there are two types: physical or abstract. The physical systems can be the system which can be touch and feel. So for example, if I'm going to the cyber cafe, so the furniture on which the computer systems are uh, are sitting are known as physical systems, and a computer is a dynamic system in which the programs, data, and application can change according to the user's need. About the abstract system are a non-physical entities or conceptual that may be formulas, representations or model of a real system. So that is a abstract system. So abstract is the non-physical, and a physical is the physical system. Second one is the open and closed system. So the in an open system must interact with its environment. It receives input from and delivers output to the outside of the system. For example, an information system which must adapt to the changing environmental conditions. So that is the open system. So the open means that's open and that will be interact with the environment. It receives input from and delivers output to the outside of the environment, outside of the system. It receives inputs from the environment and delivers output to the environment. For example, an information system which must adapt to changing environmental conditions. Second one is the closed system. A closed system does not interact with its environment. It is isolated from environmental influences. A completely closed system is rare in reality. It cannot be done in reality part because all the systems are dependent on an environment in which they are used. The third one is the adaptive and non-adaptive system. So the adaptive system respond to the change in the environment in a way to improve their performance and to survive. For example, human beings and animals are the adaptive systems, means they adapt something that is known as the adaptive system. And the non-adaptive system is the system which does not respond to the environment. For example, machines. So that is the non-adaptive systems. Because the machines are doing the work that we are giving on a command, they cannot do adapt anything within itself. So that's why that is known as non-adaptive system. Next one is the permanent and temporary system. So permanent system persists for a long time. For example, business policies. So the systems which are permanent in nature are known as a permanent system. Temporary system is made up of a specific time and after that they are demolished. For example, a DJ system is set up for a program and it is deassembled after the program. So So basically, permanent system are the system which are used for a very long period time, such that organization policies or organization vision or mission. And the temporary system is a system which can be used for a very short period of time. Suppose that in a program if there is a DJ system, so it will be assembled for a very short period of time. After After the party is done, the system will be disassembled for going to the another program. So that's the permanent and temporary system. Next one is the natural and manufactured system. So as the name suggests, natural system are the system which are created by the nature. For example, solar system and seasonal system. Manufactured system are the man-made system. For example, rockets, dam, and trains. So that are the manufactured system, and the natural system are the system which are manufactured by the nature itself. That is known as the natural systems. Deterministic or probabilistic system. So the deterministic system operates in a predictable manner, and the interaction between system component is known with certainty. For example, two molecules of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen makes water. So that is a deterministic system. A probabilistic system shows uncertain behavior. The exact output is not known. For example, weather forecasting or mail delivery. So that is a probabilistic system. So deterministic means system predictable manner, and the interaction between system component is known with certainty. So suppose that if I am making a two molecules of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen, so I know that that will be making a water. So that's a deterministic system. Okay, all these things are determined, and the probabilistic system are that कि weather forecasting, whether I am saying that कि there are 90% of chances that today is raining day, but that is not confirmed. It may be done, it may not be done. So that's a probabilistic system. So the exact output is not known. Next one is the social, human, machine, and machine system. So the social system is made up of people, for example, social clubs, societies that made a social system. In human machine system, both human and machines are involved to perform a particular task. For example, computer programming, that is a human system. Human machine system. Machine system is where human interference is neglected. All the tasks are performed by machines. For example, in autonomous robots. So the machine system are those which can be done. All the tasks can be done by the only the machines. There will be no interaction of human in this with this machine. So social means that is made up of people. For example, social clubs and societies are the social system. Human machine interface, that is a machine that is made by a human. Both human and machines are involved to perform a particular task, that is known as the human machine system. And the machine system are the system which are totally done their work on the basis of their commands, and there will be no interference of a human in between the system. Next one is the man-made information system. It is an interconnected set of information resources to manage data for particular organization under direct management control, DMC. So that is the direct management control. This system includes hardware, software, communication data, and application for producing information according to the need of organization. Man-made information system are divided into three types. One is the formal information system. It is based on the flow of information in the form of memos, instruction from top level to lower levels of management. Informal information system. This is the employee-based system which solves the day-to-day work-related problems. Next one is the computer-based system. This system directly depend on the computer for managing business application. For example, automatic library system, railway reservation system, banking system. So basically, man-made systems are of three types. Formal information system. This is for the top management level and lower management level. Informal information system. Day to work related problem system, that is known as the informal information system. And computer based system are the automatic library system, railway reservation system, banking system are known as the computer based system. So that's all about the today's lecture. So there are types of system. So if we recall them, so the first type of a system is physical system or abstract system. Another one is physical, means that should be a physically part, is known as the physical system. And the abstract system are the systems which are not physical, but the formulas and calculations are done in the abstract system. Conceptual work, it means abstract means there should be some conceptual work. Open and closed system, that is open and closed system means the system which is interact with the environment, that is the open system. And closed system, which is the system which does not interact with the environment, that is the closed system, which is not possible. Adaptive and non-adaptive systems. So adaptive system are the system which can adapt the changes from the environment in a way to improve their performance. So that these are the adaptive information system. Non-adaptive system are the system which does not respond to the environment, that are known as the non-adaptive systems. Next one is the permanent and temporary system. Permanent system are used for a very long time period, and temporary system are used for very short period of time. So these are the permanent and temporary system. Natural and manufactured systems. So natural systems are the system which is made by the nature itself, that is the natural systems. And manufactured system are the system which is made by the humans. Man-made systems, for example, rocket, dams, trains. Deterministic and probabilistic system. Deterministic system means in the system where we have determined what is the result, that is the deterministic system. And the probabilistic system is that we will know the exact information about the output, that is known as the probabilistic system. Social system are the social activities like social clubs, societies are the social system. Human machine system are the both human and machine interfaces involved, for example computer programming. Machine system are the robots which does not need any interference of the individual of a human in the system. Man-made information systems are of three types. One is for formal information system, in which all the information is formal, that is used by the management levels, top management level and lower management level. Informal information system, that is based by the day-to-day work related problems we are using for that. And next one is the computer based system. So the system which are used for the library management system, online reservation systems, banking system are known as the computer system which we are using day to day life. So that's all about today's lecture. Thank you.